Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm with the Cybertruck here and I'll be installing the 70mai Dash Cam A510. And while we're installing this is a good alternative when you don't want to burn off 10% of battery using Centric Mode per day. This is a good backup as well. And this Dash Cam is very compact, easy to install. It has GPS, ADAS built in. It also has the Sony StarVast lens. In addition, it has 24-hour surveillance, so while you're parking, not driving. It also captures in 1944 pixel, and you also have a smart device here that will alert you of any safety issues you can preset. It's dual channel, so let's go ahead and get this installed in the Tesla Cybertruck. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this first. Again, this is the 70mai Dash Cam. So very nice packaging. Again, 1944 pixel with HDR, Sony StarVast to IMX675 dual channel recording. You also have the parking surveillance 24/7, built-in GPS and ADAS, and also app control. So you can control this with the application. User manual. Here's the camera itself. So you have dual channel, so you can have it either facing the back or inside the cabin. This actually feels really high quality. There's that Sony StarVast lens. It's very compact. Very cool. And then the back camera, you run this facing the back or inside the cabin, ideally. Then you should have some harnesses to power up the device. You can do hardwire. You have your removable adhesive attachment. So when you want to take this camera off, you can. It's not permanently on there. There you go. So it slides on just like that. There's two-sided tape on the other side, and it comes off just like that. And this rotate 60-degree angle, so up and down. You can't rotate it all the way to the back, but that's why you have the second channel rear-facing camera. And they do give you an adapter, so it does require a USB-C and USB-A connector or adapter. The Cybertruck does not have a outlet, so this actually will just plug in, and there's a long harness wire that you run it down. And there's the USB-C connection. They also sell the hardwire as well. If you want to hardwire directly into the power of your rear mirror cover here, there should be power. You can also get the direct hardwire connection, and this is how it looks. So you can hardwire it into a power source. Okay, so we'll be running this to the USB-C. So that's the harness we'll be using, and that is it. That's everything inside the package. And let me pan down here. You can take a look what is included in the packaging. So there you have it. That is everything. Now we're gonna install this up here where the actual visor doesn't hit it. And again, this is very compact. So essentially you can run it right here and it still won't interfere. It'll go right past. And then you face this forward. If you want better visibility, you can place it right in the middle, just like that, behind the actual rear mirror, and that works as well. So you want it here or here. Ideally, you want it here. And 70mai also sells the micro SD. So this is 128 gig. Definitely more affordable compared to the competitor. And I like how they have this easy open seal in the back here. Just pop this open and you have access to it. So where I'm going to install this is right under or behind the actual mirror here. So it's right down here. I'll run the wire along here, across the actual headliner, and we're in business. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this camera out. So right now is almost sunset, but we still have good enough light out there to be able to see the capability of this camera during daytime, and then the night owl vision afterwards. So you can see it's very clear with 1994 pixel. So very, very crystal clear. You will be able to make out license plate. What's cool about this is you can also connect it by Wi-Fi to your phone and see a live feed of what you see on the actual camera. So right now I have it on my phone as well. So I see what the camera is currently seeing, and you actually can control it from your phone. So taking a photo, recording voice, or pausing, downloading an active event, and so forth. So you constantly have control. So we'll switch to the second channel. So using the rear camera now, but I'm facing forward, you can see there is also very clear. Again, now is closer to sunset. So during the dark, the night owl night vision works really well. And you also have a timestamp you can put on the lower left. Right now I blocked that out, but you have the date, time, and of course you can always turn off the logo too. And right now we're just parked, and you can see how fluid the flow is with the recording. It's very smooth. There's no pixelated or pause or delay whatsoever with the recording. So you can see there for yourself with the car crossing the intersection. Very fluid, very smooth. And it's also very quick to download. So a lot of the aftermarket camera, it takes forever. But for 2 minutes video, you can download it within a matter of seconds. So if you're interested in this product, again, check it out. Link in the description of this video. Highly recommend this. And if you have other questions or comments, feel free to check out the website. Link in the description as well. And we'll catch you up next time. Remember to subscribe. Take care.